Hello YouTube, this is Zipper from Future FM Productions, and today right now I am on roundleschulfer.ch. Right now what I have with me is a normal, nice little Rubik's Cube here. Now in most commercials you'll see just a few colors, which is mostly these three colors right here, as you'll see mostly in any ads or pictures. It's usually the original picture. Now, today I'm going to show you something. If your friends always say like, oh, you don't know the Rubik's Cube as much as I do, but there's just one problem, which is that they can't do it. Like, they can't, scramble it for you. So what you do here, let me just get it a little bit more up to scale. Not that much. Okay. So what you do is on the top you go like that. Then right here you go up. Then you just do that and that and that and that and that and that and that. That just makes it look a bit different, but when you do that, it makes it look way much more better. So when you start, you already know to put this cube up and just keep on doing this. And then there you go. That's the easiest way to do it. It does work on 2x2. Let's get there. Let's enlarge that. The pocket cube, as we call it. Okay. So let's see here. Let's go on the main color. So boom, 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 boom. Now this one you don't have to move that cube. So let's just do that again. And there you go. It might work on the 4x4, but I haven't tried. Let's enlarge it. The Revenge Cube should pop up any second. Sorry for the little slow, but yep. Okay. Never really tried the cube. Oh, error. Let's try 5x5. Oh, weird. Okay, I guess we'll just stay on the 3x3. Let's enlarge that. Okay. So it's just the normal Rubik's Cube. It works really great. You can do it on any color. I guess I will attempt to try. Okay, just scrambled it. I'm really doing this one. I'm not faking it. But, yep. Oh, I think I just had a strategy point there. Yep, there we go. I'm not sure what you do at this point. I'm not pro at the Rubik's Cube. Just random. Well, I'll get back to you when I finish it. Yeah, YouTube, I got pretty far. I got these green, this white, that red. And that's, I think, all I could really get. Yep. Guess, let's see. That. Do that. I'm gonna try my thing. That'd be cool if it worked. but also kind of retarded. I don't know why. Yeah, doesn't seem to be working out for me. But it does work, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, well, I'll get back to you when I almost... Okay, YouTube, I managed to get it back like this, to the green and the white, those two reds back to normal. So I guess let's try this again. I'm just trying random things. I'm pretty sure it'll work someday. So I've been doing my thing like all day, trying to see if this will work, since this is like my first time with the Rubik's Cube, but yeah. Oh my gosh, I think I might have to come back to you again, because this thing is not working. Wow. I'm almost there, so I'm going to keep on going. I could sort of see some. Oops. I think I was right here. I feel like I've been doing the same thing for the past hour. Yeah, I'll get back. YouTube, I managed to get a bit farther with my thing that I've been doing for the past hour now. Oh, wait. No, I thought I was almost there. I'm like so close to finishing, I swear. I think I just messed it up. I'm not sure though. Ugh. This sort of sucks. I'm close, I could just sense it. I'm almost there. I just knew it. God. This actually kind of sucks and is really boring. I've been doing this for the past hour. Taking out parts and ugh. You know what? I'll get back to you, okay? Okay, I'm back. I got more farther than last time, so I'm back on my way. It took me a lot of research and YouTube, a lot of YouTube actually. Wait. I got 3 sides done, I think. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, wait, no, that's bad. I finished it. Yes. All that long over and over again. Finally pays off. Gosh, that took forever. That was a whole 9-minute video. 10 right now. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, YouTube, for watching. And this is Zipper signing out from Future FM Productions.